Alright, welcome everybody. This is a video tutorial for those of you that are going to be starting a new business and you want to see if the name that you're thinking about using for your business name is already owned by somebody else and trademarked, so that you can avoid potential legal problems down the road. Get a piece of paper and a pen handy. I'm going to go over some information for you. You can take some notes along the way. I'm going to show you how you can search for the name that you want. I'm going to show you how you can register or file an application for that trademark. I'm also going to show you how you can lock up the website name for your business name so that you can promote yourself online. And I'll also show you how you can analyze the keywords within your business name to see how many searches a month those particular keywords get. That'll give you an indication as to wanting to get in front of as many people as you can. So get a piece of paper and pen handy and I'll go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Google and you're going to want to do a search for trademark search. So go to Google and do a search for that. And then scroll down a little bit on the results and look for the one that has uspto.gov in it. You'll want to do that first rather than just going directly there, because I don't know, for some reason it loads up a different page. But once you get to the page, you'll see here, if you scroll down, you can see that you can search for trademarks here. You can also file an application with this link right here, and there's other additional documentation on the page. But I'm going to go to the trademark search first. And after I click on it, I'm going to go to basic word mark search. And in this field right here, I can type in the name of what I'm looking to do. So let's say my name is Gary and I have a custom construction business. So I'm going to search for Gary's Custom Construction and I'm going to click Submit Query. You'll see here that there are no results, which is good. That means that nobody's got a trademark on that name. But if I go back and let's say I just let's do Sally's Salon. You'll see here that there's a few results, but nobody has one that is just Sally's Salon. It tells you here if they're live or if they're dead trademarks, if they're active or if they're defunct. But if you wanted Sally's Salon, you have a pretty good shot at getting the application approved. But we checked for Gary's Custom Construction and it was available. So then what I could do is I could go over here under the File Forms Online and fill out the application. Now the application will run you about $500, and depending upon how many categories you want it in, it could potentially cost more per category. So the next thing we want to do is we want to see if Gary's Custom Construction, the website name, is available. So go to your browser or write it down, and you can write down motherlessgoat.com. They're a domain and hosting registration company, and they can help you get your .com registered, or your .ca for Canada, or your .co.uk for the UK, or .eu for Europe. They can help you get that domain name registered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop in Gary's Custom Construction in the search box here. I'm going to see if somebody else already owns it. Oops. And I'm going to choose my extension here. I'm just going to go with the .com. You can choose whatever you want. Maybe you want to get the .com and the .net. If you do want to get a couple of different extensions, you can search for them, or you can go under the bulk domain registration here. So in this example, I'm just going to go for the Gary'sCustomConstruction.com. I'll click Search. And it says that it's available. So what I can do is I can register it and put it in my name. I'm going to click the Add button, and then over here I'm going to click Continue to Registration, and that'll walk me through the checkout process. I'll just create my own account here, put in my information, and just follow the prompts till I check out. Now the final thing that you'll want to do is you also want to think about how many times somebody does a search for the keywords in my business name, because if you're marketing yourself online, you want to ensure that you're choosing rich keywords that get a lot of searches each month. So the way that you can do this is Google offers a keyword tool. So you just go back to Google, you do a search for the word keyword, and then you click go. Whoops, I typed in keyword. Alright, keyword. And it should be one of the first few results, and you want to look for the one that says adwords.google.com. So I'm going to click on that. And then what I'll do is I'll put in my phrase here. So I'm going to choose Gary's Custom Construction. There's probably a CAPTCHA code lower down here for you. I've already entered it in previously, so I'm just going to click search. Now you'll see here that Gary's Custom Construction gets 0 searches a month. But don't worry, because custom construction itself are 2 popular keywords. I'll just get rid of Gary up top and I'll click search again, and you'll see now that custom construction globally throughout the world gets 74,000 searches a month. Just in the US it gets 60,500. Now there are other keyword options down here that you could choose from, and if you want to sort them, just click on the global here once, right there, and it'll sort them by highest to lowest. So I can go down here and I can think of other keywords that I might want to use in my business name. What I could also do is I could buy a few of these keywords in various domain extensions. I could build out little mini websites, and then I could funnel that traffic to my main site, Gary's Custom Construction. You could do this for any business, whether you're selling beauty supplies, whether you're selling home products, whether you're offering a service. You could go in here and you could search for the keywords. Just come up here and start typing in different things, and you can see what the results are. And that's the way that you analyze which names, keywords, will help drive the potential most traffic to you. You could come back over here. You could type in different extensions in here, different keywords, and you could lock up other names and then funnel that traffic to your business to increase your sales. That's how a lot of the online marketers do it. So this is how they do it. Maybe nobody ever told you, but that's what they do. So watch the video again if you need to, but this is some helpful information about how to analyze a domain name for your business and make sure that nobody else has the trademark on it. Hope you enjoyed it. Good luck with your endeavors, and thank you. Bye-bye.